will! That is enough. I will dig the rest with the shovel now.
All right, Mike. Mike, how is it going over there?
The pipe is finally exposed. Look at this break!
This looks really bad. Nice that we were able to come fix this right away.
Yeah, definitely.
I will get more stones for when you are ready.
That will work! Thanks!
Looks pretty good, Mike.
Yeah, Will. Let's add more stones and wait for the inspection.
All right, let's do it.
What a day.
Yeah, tell me about it.